I swear you start like talking about certain products, and all of a sudden all the companies come out of the woodworks and they're like, hey, check out ours. And last week we did some first looks, and I am planning on doing full testing of these interfaces, the ones that I did last week. But we got another one here. This is by Synido, the Voice 100 audio interface. And I was looking on, it's Per Gear. I think that's the company that sells them. Here it is, right? The Voice. It doesn't really give you much for specs or anything like that. $120, at least we know how much it's going to cost. But what we'll do is, I found another website that gives us some information in regards to it. Then in this video, again, this is not a review video. We are going to do a follow-up video where we try it out, because I think that's kind of important. Let me have some time with it. Yeah, we'll try it out, and we'll see what we think of it in video number 2. But this is kind of the unboxing and a little bit of a first look. Okay, so again, this website here, like where it kind of came from, $119 US from Synido. No reviews. All right, but like there's just nothing on it for information. So I kind of went to a different website here, and it says Synido Voice 100 is very suitable for entry-level users. Okay, so if we're looking at high-end stuff, you know what? You're not going to be spending $119 on something that requires high-end. But no driver download, plug and play. What I like is it's PC and Mac compatible, especially for those of us on a Mac system. It performs well in both appearance and performance. Appearance, I guess, cool. It is compact, all metal body, frosted process, eclectic trend color matching, cool, and it's simple and clear panel layout and powerful functionality. I love it. USB-C type USB-C, which is good because that's how it connects to the computer, and as far as I can tell, it's how it's powered. So if you are looking for a completely portable solution, again, really good. You're going to have one cable going to your computer. Awesome. And you're going to have like one cable going like to your microphone, right? The sound card, which is in this, can be connected to headphones with a 6.35 millimeter jack or with a 3.5 millimeter jack. It does have, it says 48 volt phantom power, which is also cool. It also supports desktop operating systems such as Windows and Mac, as well as mobile devices such as Android and iOS. So that's also super nice. What does it say here? The Synido, I keep calling it Synido Voice 100 adopts the latest low-power DSP chips. What else? 44.1 kilohertz, and the bit depth is as high as 16-bit. Number of channels is 2 in, 2 out. Cool. And it does say that it's good for both just voice and like music, like singing and things like that. Fully furnished and ready to use. So has an over the OTG adapter cable. Okay. Yeah, and supposedly it should sound better than if you were recording directly into like your computer sound card. So built-in sound card with a little tiny kind of almost like a little mixer audio interface. Here's the box. You guys can see it. It's purple and orange. I guess that's the trendy color right there. Purple and orange. Voice 100 audio interface. And as you can see here, built-in DSP chip, 48 volt power supply. That's actually really good because I've even got mics that I use that, you know, they need 48 volt, right? Drive-free design, one key noise reduction. Sweet. And on the back, a whole bunch of stuff. I'll just kind of put that up close. You guys can pause the video or take a look just so you can kind of see what's all going on there. USB-C, PC, phone, tablet. Yep. Headphone jack, line out, guitar jack, mic, XLR jack. We also have the standard, believe it's a 1/4 inch line in jack. Or that's a line in, and then it has another one, mic 3, and then a live, which can go out to phone and tablet. Yeah, so you got all kinds of goodness. A dynamic mic or a large diaphragm condenser mic or 48-volt mic. And then on the front, you have the another electric condenser mic and headset with mic slash headphone. All right. It seems like, you know what, someone that's possibly on a bit of a budget and they're really just maybe doing podcasting, right? Or they're doing almost interviews maybe, where you're just like, I need to record from 2 mics. I got 1 mic. Just realize what 1 mic, I think, for 48 volts, so for Phantom, because the XLR. But maybe 3 mics. 3 mics. All right, here's the box. Ready? And it's a nice box. Synido. I got it right this time. Little QR code down at the bottom here, which will take you to their page. Okay, presentation. Presentation is nice. I'm going to give it that. It's definitely, you know what? It's definitely smaller than I expect. Because I expected it, for one, to be the size of the whole box. But it's tiny. It really is tiny. Nothing else than that. We'll look at this in a second. Yeah, because you can't really tell in regards to like the photos on their, well, not even on their website, but on like the page I'm on here. You're like, how do you know? Is this like a little sticker? No, it's just it's the inspection. So it's been inspected. It's great. User manual. Seems like a decent user manual. It's not cheap, right? Seems good. I'm down. It does say, like, this one that they talked about said it came with a mic. I don't think mine comes with a mic. I don't think so. Okay, we'll throw that box over there. If it does, no. So mine did not come with a mic, but I think you can get a kit that comes with a mic. Okay, so I'm interrupting in the middle of the video because I keep saying that it didn't come with a mic, but I realized, because I had taken it out of the box like a little while ago, that it did come with a mic. So just so you guys see, and again, we'll go over this stuff more so in the actual testing / review video. Comes with a little mic stand right here, which is nice. It comes with, actually, looks like it comes with some like monitoring little tiny headphones. But I don't expect there'll be anything fancy, but it comes with them. You get a lovely long USB cable, so that seems nice. You do get some, like, this is their manual / instruction setup. Talks about, you know, what you're doing, singing with your phone, singing or broadcasting, right, with another device, it looks like, how to set up 2 platforms, singing and broadcasting live on a computer, singing with connecting an amp, etc. But it comes with it. It's super cool. These are going to be cables to go to your phone, right? USB-A to Lightning. And I think this is USB-A to, I don't really know, USB-C, I believe, maybe. I guess I could open this one just so you guys can tell. But cable-wise, like, it's nice, it's a decent cable, right? A little braided cable. So this is USB, and they're long, yeah, USB-C. Those are long cables, which is fantastic. And then last but not least, this is a big interruption, right? But I just wanted to make sure you guys were aware of this. There's your large diaphragm USB mic, studio recording microphone, and again, there's all your goodness on the back if you guys care. And just kind of crack it open here so you guys can see it. Does come with an XLR to 1/8 inch. Comes with a shock mount, which is nice, little shock mount, and comes with a little microphone. So, you know, you're all ready to rock and roll. So, kit wise, super complete. So for $119 US. All right. Yeah. So back to the video, and just disregard whenever I say it doesn't come with a mic or mine didn't come with a mic, because it did come with a mic. That's empty. That's it. So we get a couple little cables. Cable-wise, lengthwise, orange. It's nice. You're looking at, what is that? 3 feet, I'm guessing, right? So that's your standard 3.5 millimeter. Looks like you get 2 of those. And then of course you get USB-A to USB-C. I kind of wish they would also have done a USB-C to USB-C, so they give you 2 of those cables. But you know, it is what it is. That's handy. And then this, look how small this is, right? You see how small that is? You guys can see that. Here it is with my hands. You know, that's a tiny mixer. Like it's almost, that's it, right? Whoa now. But yeah, metal, aluminum, whatever, and you have on the front your gain, your chord level, mic volume, echo. You guys can see all that, right? There's your 48 volt on off, a loop back, BT. I'm guessing that's Bluetooth. So you can Bluetooth the device, music, sing, chat, dodge. There's your monitor, and it's got, this one's got a, it has a like a click point right at center, right, like right there. And then it's feels nice and smooth though. I'm gonna give it that. Like, where am I? That's right, like right there. You can. So if you, even if you weren't looking, you could, boom, right? Do they all have that? Yeah. So right at center, they have a nice little thunk, so it kind of locks into place, and that's on all of them. I like that. So it gets you kind of right back to that point. Buttons. Buttons seem fair, right? They have a nice in out. I don't think they actually like click in and out. They just kind of click on and off, right? They don't elevate at all based on. So no, I don't think so. So that's okay. Now the one thing, I don't know if you guys can see that. Maybe see the one here. Where is it? Right there. See that one there? Does it look like it's not as high as the other ones? Right? Maybe that's just a little thing, but I do notice that. Right? That one's not as elevated as these ones are on this side. Big deal? Probably not, but still seems to be clicking okay. On the front, you have your mic 1, and that's a small style mic in your headset right there. So that's cool. And then you go around to the back. That's nice though, because you get the small, like the 1/8 inch style microphone on the front. You get like the 1/4 inch style on the back, and then you have the XLR. So really, depending on what kind of mic you have, you can connect it to this, which is awesome. Guitar 1/4 inch, headphone 1/4 inch. You have your USB-C for powering. Your line out right there, line in, and a live. And then you got nice little feet. You know what? It's got nice feet. Like it's grippy for sure. It's grippy. So if that's on the table, like even on my table, you know, if you're playing around with this, it's not moving at all. Like I can put a lot of pressure on that, and it's not right moving. Now the other thing, maybe I don't think my table is warped. Listen. Again, little things, but it's not, the feet or whatever aren't completely even. There's just a little bit of wobble to it. So if you guys can hear that, right? It's like this foot and this foot here. See, that one's good. That one's good. It's that one. It's this foot. For some reason, you can't screw them. Yeah. All right. Anyways, this is the first look at the Synido Voice 100. I love the size actually. That's really nice because it's tiny. The color, you either are gonna love it or you're gonna hate it. One of the two, right? It's with all the orange stuff right there. Love it or hate it. And driverless, very cool. Again, this one came with a mic that they are showing here. Mine did not come with a mic. And even on their page here, it looks like there's a mic, but I got no mic. So I have to find a mic to try it. So I think what I'll do is, again, we'll do some live stuff. I'll use this for one of them just so we can play with it a little bit. That'll come in a next little while because I got to review the other two first. But they have mics with them, so I'll use their mics with this so we get an idea, right? Yeah, it's tiny. Nice. All right, guys, I will put links down below if you guys are interested to where you can pick this up. And again, I do believe this one comes with the microphone. I think it's in the image. It's in the picture, right? It's in the picture. It shows it with a mic. I don't know 100%. Maybe reach out to them and ask them, possibly. Anyways, links down below to where you can pick this up. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and we will have a follow-up video soon. All right, guys, I'm out. Later.